Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to change the dark mode on Microsoft Office Word. First of all you have is to open your Microsoft Office Word software and follow these steps. Now we are going to head directly to the file ribbon here, or the file menu. We click on it, and here it will pop up the document or the options window of Microsoft Office Word. Here we will find this menu. Uh, the menu that we are interested in, or the button, is the account button here. After you click on it, it will shows the account window or the account panel here. As you can see, this panel is concerning your account preferences or all your account information. So as you can see here, there is the Office background that adds some icons or theme to your background. But we are interested on the Office theme, and we will just change the black one to the colorful, so it become as the default Office theme. Also, you can change the dark theme with the white one. As you can see, it is more whiter than this one, or you can just uh, use another uh, color that you prefer. Now I will just use the system settings and I will go home. So this is how you change your dark mode on Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.